Let's learn how to screen share in Koala Go. First, go to the top left of your screen, just above your video. You'll see a button that says Share Screen. Click on this and it'll bring up various options. You can either share a specific Chrome tab, share your application window, or share your entire screen. Let's imagine we want to share a lesson from the Abridge Academy curriculum. I'm going to share this lesson on describing animals. Note that if you look at the Koala Go page, you'll not be able to see your screen share very clearly. It'll pop up with a message saying that you are sharing your screen and it'll be kind of grayed out. Don't worry, your students will be able to see the screen you're sharing without any problems. To enter full screen mode, go to the bottom right corner of the slides and click full screen. Note, however, that it is not possible for your students to interact directly with the screen share materials, and additionally, there are no annotation tools or anything else that you can do while screen sharing. Therefore, I generally recommend that you open the Abridge Academy lessons in the co-browser instead. If you want to share other resources like documents, you can upload them to the whiteboard. I would only really recommend using screen sharing as some kind of backup method, or if you have something that is on a different application on your computer that you're not able to upload to the whiteboard, but you would like to share with your students. To stop the screen share, go to the top left of your screen again, and you'll see a Stop Share button.